Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a smooth transition effect in After Effects. To create the mask transition, we need to overlap two layers. First scroll to the end of the bottom clip. From that point, move 50 frames backward, then drag the second clip above it so the two clips overlap by 50 frames. Now scroll to the end of the bottom layer once again and split the second clip into two parts. The overlapped section on the left is the part we'll use to create the transition. To stay organized and make this easier to follow, I'll change this layer's label color to something different, for example, red. Now select the Roto Brush tool and double-click on that layer to start rotoscoping and isolating the car from the background. Once you finish rotoscoping, click the freeze button and wait for it to complete. After that, close the rotoscoping window. Now make sure to duplicate the red layer. Rename the top layer to car, so we know it contains the isolated car. Next select the bottom layer and rename it to background. With the Roto Brush tool selected, double-click the background layer. Make sure to unfreeze the selection, then enable invert foreground/background to invert the roto selection. After that, click the freeze button again and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, close the rotoscoping window. At this point, we have two layers, one is the isolated car, and the other is the isolated background. That's all we need for the transition. Select the car layer and press S on your keyboard to reveal the scale property. Scroll to the end of the car layer and click the scale stopwatch to add a keyframe. Next scroll back to the beginning and set the scale value to 0. Select both scale keyframes, press F9 to apply Easy Ease, and open the graph editor. Right-click inside the graph editor, choose Edit Speed Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. Once you're done, close the graph editor. Now select the background layer and apply the gradient wipe effect. Scroll to the end of the background layer and click the transition completion stopwatch to add a keyframe. Next scroll back to the beginning and set the transition completion value to 100%. Finally, set the transition softness to around 15% to smooth out the effect. The transition is ready, but let's quickly preview it and see if we can improve it. It looks good, but the background starts revealing a bit too early. To fix this, press U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes on the background layer. Then drag the first keyframe slightly forward so the effect starts a little later. Next enable motion blur on the car layer to add some natural blur. Now let's preview the transition once again. That looks much smoother and better now. To enhance the transition even more, I'll add a shake effect. I'll use one of the shakes from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can check out my shake tutorials on the channel, I've made plenty of them. You can also get the AM Film 16 shake presets from the link in the description below. Let's preview the transition with the shake applied, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.